father killed Taylor Shaw 25 years ago and told me.
This is amazing.
It's yakisoba. Your favorite.
Walking in my sleep, like the naked trees, where they wake up again. Do they sleep?
You know more about me than I do.
Feel it as the wind strokes my skin. I am moved by the chill. Hear the winter birds sing.
What was I like before all of this?
With compassion, loyal, patient, so damn stubborn.
I'm not that stubborn.
Yeah, said every stubborn person ever.
What did you do to us? Please. Please, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Silent days, violet shades, we are dancing again in a dream by the lake. My tears are always frozen. I can't see the air I breathe. All my fingers painting pictures on the grass in front of me. Baby, by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was.
Through listening to you. All your little missions, the USB drive, the GPS tracker, the pen, none of it is what you said it was. You used me to frame Mayfair for murder.
Only wake each morning to remember that you're gone. So I drift
I just wish I
away
could be there to see his face when he finds out what you really are.
It's always frozen. I can't see the air I breathe.
I'm sorry.
My fingers painting
I know this is my fault. I know how much this case meant to you.
You were never just a case to me.
boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was.
What am I supposed to do now? Ever since I came out of that bag, I've woken up with a purpose. I come here, we save the world, and then I go home. And what do I do when I wake up tomorrow?
Decided to start
All I
from scratch.
need is to remember how it was to feel
Oscar.
alive.
I'm
I
sorry.
need to remember.
I have to wipe your memory again.
Hey, it's me. My phone's about to die. I was just checking in to see how you doing.
I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave. Your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that
It was rough.
time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd
I
wipe
gotta tell you
my life. You're the first person that I think about. And you always have been. I guess. I just want to hear your voice. Hear you. Tell me everything's gonna be okay. I'm really glad you're back in my life, Dilla. Yeah. Just call me back. Bye.
My once pleasant dreams, your voice it chased away all the sanity in me. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears.
I've been trying to call you.
Scream, I'd fight away all of your
What happened?
fears. And I held
Father
you.
died.
I know, I got your message. I'm so sorry.
But you stood.
Of course I am. Kurt, something happened today, and
It's funny that we still call you Jane.
It's so hard to tell.
And who the hell are you?
I don't know.
Who are you?
I don't know. I don't know. Kurt,
Turn
please.
around. Get on your knees. Put your hands on your head.
I can't explain.
You have the right to remain silent.
Kurt,
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
don't do this.
You have the right to an
You
attorney.
need to listen to me.
You said you remembered. You remembered what? Fishing? Camping with us? How? You lied to me. I let my father back into my life. Into my home. I let him be around Sawyer. Killed him. I let him back in. Because of you. So turn around. Get on your knees. Put your hands on your head. I'm not going to say it again. Do it. Put your hands on your head.
Kurt, please.
It's over. Whatever this is, whatever it was about, it's finished. Jane, no. You're under arrest.